Yeah, let's get into it, man. So I took 4 trades today. I took more than weight, I normally take. I think these are from AM sections. Kind of just gonna take this for you, away. So today I was neutral. I was just waiting for previous day low or previous day high to sweep because I saw this spike candle, but price just did its thing, man. Today was harsh. Price action today was horrendous. Nothing you can do. You ain't get the fat price action. Friday, if you blow your account, I've been there as well. You know what it is. You try to chill, start again, buy new combines, pass them, and try to take it slow. I've been there before. Mine is worse, way, way worse. So yeah, let's get into it. So I took 5 trades today. I think I took 5 trades today, and pretty much price just up and down, up and down. So my first trade was as soon as market open, right? So we got first presented fair value gap right here. We made an SMT, sorry, just before the SMT, sorry. That was my mistake. So we got first presented fair value gap right here, and we inverse it, turn into inversion. So we retest one, twice. I tried short here, but I got stopped out, so that was just a little profit. Sorry, a little loss, like $50. So I re-entered somewhere right here, and it came down a little bit and then come back up immediately. When this candle just shoot back up, got me stopped out. Then yeah, nothing to say about that. And then we have a 5 minute gap right here. We have an SMT. I think we currently have an SMT at the moment, which I took this trade. Well, yeah, that's by the way. So I marked out a 30 seconds gap just under 30 seconds chart. Yep, marked out a 30 seconds gap right here. Just right here. I marked it out. I wait for the inversion. Got a retest and I took my entry. So that was a winner. That was a winner. I should have just closed, but it was a little, 160 bucks. You know, I mean, there's a lot, but I want to make more. So I had to just keep trading. So I had a winner, yeah. Went for like 20 points for 160 bucks. Now, I kind of just chill. So price came down, retest, yeah. Sorry, came down, retest this fair value gap, and then sudden rejection. So we got an SMT right here at this top. I was thinking, okay, we might want to go low for like a little time. Not just I didn't expect all this movement to be honest. So we got this SMT right here, and price came down. I was thinking, is this gap gonna hold again? So I got my entry again, and I got stopped out immediately. So I was break even. So PM section I had to wait. So PM section saw this order block on the 1 minute chart. Yep. So this was my first trade during during 10 o'clock. Yeah. First trade was during 10 o'clock. So I saw this little order block here. I got my entry just at this candle, just before this candle closed. I got my entry right there. Had my stop on this high. Came down a little bit and then got the stop to break even. So I didn't. So this was my fourth play of the day. Right. So I wanted to see this fair value gap getting vast and trying to look for buys. But it came down, price was just currently in an uptrend. I drew my trend line from right here to here. So I had to wait. I also got my XMA right there. So we came down. It looked like a break to the downside, like a continuation to the downside, but I don't trust it. So I got my entry somewhere right here. Got my entry somewhere right here. Yep, somewhere right here. I reached 10 points on it on this trade. Yeah, and I made these are actually closed these so early. So I made 20. Yeah, it was 20 points. So it was 20 points on display. Made two on the back. So I was green for the day. And my last play was this one. So this was a great trade, man. This was a banger trade. I reached 10 points. I had my stop just underneath this low. Just underneath this low. Had my stop loss underneath this low. got my entry, and then from there, I'll show you a video of my execution today. I was so happy. Sorry, I was so happy, man. What if it's this one?
I took a half size trade up here for the drawn liquidity.
I was down $200,
Other
then
stuff.
put my VWAP rejection trend line, broke of it, wiki. So I took my rejection off here. So currently back in profit. I'm gas, man. If this hit break even, then I'm done for the day. If it doesn't hit break even, yeah, mm, yeah, that was me. That was my execution for the day, and this was the trade that made me $200 for the day, and I was done. This was a call out on my Discord. Yeah, so that was it for today, and you can see pretty much price was just chopping around the whole day. So just that by the side, that being said, today was so I've seen I saw the trading whatever you call them, the traders, the gurus, the influencers, I don't know whatever you want to call them, the best of traders, they take a hell today, and then they start to psych out, just doing something we should be doing, not them. Start to over trading. I mean, it's crazy, man. I'm not gonna mention names, but yeah, I mean, that's today it was crow, so crow. If you're not careful, you might get cooked, man. And yeah, I've seen what we passed through as a newbie. We came into the game. We're not really. How am I gonna put it? So we're not on the same level as the traders, the influencers, and the trading gurus. We're not on the same level as them. So I kind of just I saw the reality today. They've been through it as well. They've been through it today. They went tip today. That was funny as well, man. Taking trades over trades over trades. I thought that was just me. I didn't even realize, most of this traders, they're also tilting. But yeah, I mean, just got to keep your head down. Right now, I'm in a state where I have to keep my head down. I have to, trust the process. For I got my account, I passed this account on Tuesday, and I started trading on Wednesday. So I'm 1,500 for the week, or 1,500 for the week. So I can't complain. I mean, 1,500. I'm not making 1,500 in a week. So the fuck am I gonna complain for? If I make $100 a day, the fuck am I gonna? I'm not making $100 in a day. So for my 9 to 5 fucking job. So no, I just gotta take it. Gotta take it for what it is. So I'm not gonna complain. And yeah, that was it for today. And if you had a banger trade, your your root trader, bro. If you have a banger trade on this price action, then you're 100%. Either you got lucky, or you know what you're doing for sure, for sure. But yeah, that's by the way. So yeah, that was it for today. That's the trade recap. And please, like I said, subscribe, like, comment, because it's always going to keep me going. And I have to keep making videos after videos, making sure share my trading journey with everyone. And I promise you, I'll get there. I'll get there as well. I'll buy this little Lamborghini, watch everything. Don't worry, man. I got you. You got me. I got you. We'll see each other at the top, man.